Hi, I'm Sean Gannon, and this is Minute Math, and today we're learning about solving systems of three equations with substitution.
Minute Math, when you need help you use Minute Math.
We're given this problem right here, negative 4x plus 2z equals 14, y equals x plus z plus 12, and negative 2x minus 4z equals 22, and we want to solve the system by substitution. One thing I noticed about the, last equation, let's rewrite that here. Negative 2x minus 4z equals 22. If I pull out a, negative 2 from both parts here, negative 2, I'm left with a positive x plus a 2z here is equal to 22. I now can divide negative 2 to both sides, and x plus a 2z equals a negative 11. From there, I get x by itself, subtract a 2z to both sides, and x equals a negative 11 minus 2z. Well, where can that be helpful? Let's look at our first equation. Our first equation is in terms of x and z's, and we can substitute that in. So we have negative 4, but instead of x, I'm going to put a negative 11 in, that we just found, minus 2z. So you can see that right here. Plus a 2z equals 14. And now we have all the information we need to solve for z. Distribute the negative 4 to both parts. Negative 4 times negative 11 is a positive 44. Negative 4 times a minus 2z is a positive 8z. Plus a 2z equals 14. Well, combine our like terms. We have 8z plus a 2z is a 10z. We subtract a 44 to both sides, and we have a negative 14 minus 44 is a negative 30. Divide both sides by 10, and z equals a negative 3. Alright, we got one of our values. Well, we can use that z equals negative 3, put it in here to find, our x value. So x equals a negative 11 minus 2 times a negative 3. And then simplify negative 11. Negative 2 times negative 3 is a positive 6. Negative 11 plus 6, x equals a negative 5 right there. So we have x equals negative 5, z equals negative 3. Let's find our y. Well, let's look at the second equation. Y is already by itself. So y equals, and for x, let's put negative 5 in. And for z, we put a negative 3 in. And then plus 12, and let's simplify that. Well, y equals negative 5 plus negative 3 is negative 8 plus 12. And negative 8 plus 12 is a positive 4. So we can write this as a coordinate point of negative 5, 4, and negative 3. And so our final answer here is x equals a negative 5, y equals 4, and z equals a negative 3. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if it was, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and like this video. This helps us make more free math lessons for you and for everyone else. So as always, thanks for watching.
Minute Math, when you need help you use Minute Math.